What are you doing?
I gotta pick those up.
What are you looking for?
I gotta pick these up. Oh, 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 whoa. Yeah, I fall down. Silly Matthias.
Silly Matthias. What are you doing, Matthias, in the cupboard?
I'm picking something to eat.
You're picking something to eat?
Yeah. Cheese.
Do you say cheese every time you see a camera?
Let me see. Aww. How cute.
Okay, how about I make you breakfast instead of snacks?
Tricky.
What'd you find?